This is the briefing from Transport Topics for January 5th. I'm Esmeralda Leon. Discover the full potential of your fleet with IQ Cruise. This isn't just cruise control. It's seamless integration, up to 9% fuel savings, and real-time insights. Easy for drivers to adopt, proven to perform. Drive smarter, drive IQ Cruise. The trucking sector is increasingly harnessing artificial intelligence to tackle one of its most critical challenges, fleet safety. Samsara's Johan Land joins TT Managing Editor Seth Clevenger to share how fleets are implementing AI-powered solutions to revolutionize their safety programs. Discover more about the tools and strategies making highways safer today. Catch the latest Road Signs podcast at ttn.ws/episode 184. Now let's dive into the day's top stories. After a disappointing 2025, less-than-truckload carriers are cautiously optimistic that the market is nearing a bottom, with a rebound more likely later this year. Executives say repeated predictions of an imminent recovery failed to materialize, but several underlying conditions now appear more supportive. Lower interest rates, improving consumer sentiment, and stabilizing LTL pricing are helping confidence. Some carriers also point to reduced industry capacity since the pandemic, which could tighten the market once freight demand returns. While truckload data suggests early signs of a broader recovery, LTL leaders stress that uncertainty remains, and the exact timing of an upturn is still unclear, though optimism is now grounded in more tangible economic signals. The year ahead is expected to test whether federal transportation officials will follow through on threats to withhold funding from states that fail to comply with non-domiciled commercial driver licensing rules. Audits launched in 2025 uncovered widespread deficiencies, including licenses issued beyond drivers' legal residency periods and incomplete records. In response, several states paused issuing non-domiciled CDLs and permits, while working with federal regulators. And Nevada permanently ended its limited-term CDL program after auditors found severe compliance failures. Other states also face the prospect of losing millions of dollars in federal transportation funds if corrective actions fall short. Texas International Enterprises, a Laredo-based cross-border trucking and logistics company, has filed for Chapter 11 bankruptcy protection amid heavy debt and prolonged weakness in the freight market. The company reported $10 million to $50 million in both assets and liabilities and listed more than 200 creditors. It operates about 280 trucks and employs roughly 600 drivers. While layoffs had not been confirmed at the end of 2025, workforce reductions remain possible as the restructuring unfolds. The company is seeking court approval to use cash collateral to continue operations, though some creditors have objected. That's it for today. Remember, for all the latest trucking and transportation news, go to the experts at ttnews.com.
Spoken Layer.